Hi guys, it's Kumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually so happy that I'm recording my second ever YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be making the polka dot dress. I've been seeing it on my Pinterest like back to back to back to back. Then I started seeing it on TikTok, so I'm just like, I'm making this. So I drafted, like I said drafted. So I sketched what I would like the dress to look like. You know, I told you guys that I already sketched out what I like, the idea that I have in my head of what I want the dress to look like. This is the picture of what I did. And boom, that's how I saw Priscilla's dress, like our own gown. Though I've been seeing that particular style like for the polka dots everywhere too. But when I saw Priscilla just one, I'm like, nah, I'm making it. Like I'm doing this one ASAP. So I bought it. I really like the material. It's so nice, like very, very nice. So this is the material that I got. But the sad thing is that I went to buy the lining I'm going to be using today. I just like go back. So this is the lining I bought. If you notice, the lining is like white and this one is like off-white-ish. I don't know if you can like notice the difference, but I should have just like checked it well or probably taken it along. But I just assumed that, oh, like it's going to be white. So this is it. This one is off-white, this one is white. So yeah, but we already have our material, so I'm going to be using this one. I bought 3 yards of the polka dot material, then I bought 1 yard of line. I also got the thread and the zip in white. Okay, let me just brief everything about the whole making and all. So the thing is, first I noticed, because when I tell you I studied this dress, I really did. Like I studied it like I'm in school. So the first thing I noticed is that he has like a corset thingy at the back, like a rope something that you can like tie. But I'm going to be using zip for my own because I actually have a gown that looks like that, but it's in Ankara. So I don't know, I really like the gown and it's like fits perfectly on my waist. So I'm just like, okay, let me use like zip for my own instead of the corset thing, because I didn't know what to expect with that one. Though I'm going to be doing something else that I'll have to use like the corset thing, but this one I want to use like a zip because I have something like that I really like, and I want this one to be something that I would actually wear and like too. So here we go. I already drafted the pattern for the gown. I did it yesterday evening, so like it's easier for me to just sew today. I'm so excited about this. If I actually get this dress right, I'm literally going to be wearing it every single day. I'm not even joking. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Drum rolls for the results, please. Nah, hands down, I really like this one. Very cutesy. Thank God I went for this one instead of that second one. This is the forward look. Anyways, I'm going to like post a short. I think that one is going to show it better. But yeah, this is the look. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final result. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.